Hi, kindergarten students. I am sitting on the floor in the kindergarten room getting ready to do science. So you need some tape that you can write on and that you can use to tape things together. Whoa, I didn't have my Ziploc bag zipped. You need your bag with rocks and buttons and sticks and cotton and balls. All of those things you've been wondering what we were going to use those for. And you need your, sorry, I am fiddling with volume. There, it's as loud as it can go. And you need those toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls or gift wrap paper rolls that you've been collecting. Finally, you get to use those too. So, step one is to think, what are we going to be doing in science? Well, our focus has been on motion. Those two P words of motion: push away, pull close. You are very good at showing those push and pull and talking about it. So today you're going to explore. That means try lots of things with pushing, which is a motion, a movement. And you know, when God made the world, He made it possible for motion to be in the world. The wind creates motion. The earth and the planets and the sun and the moon, they're all moving in motion so slowly that we don't even notice, but we are. And you can tell because the sun is in different parts of the sky at different parts of the day. So there's a lot of motion around us. Let's explore the push away motion and what kinds of order that God put into motion. What makes a faster motion? What makes something that you push go further or rolls longer or shorter? All these things we get to explore. So you need to make a ramp for this pushing. So you can take any size roll that you have, long, short, whatever, and cut it in half. Now it's hard to find half, but you just kind of look, and so that the top and the bottom, what's above the scissors and what's below the scissors is about the same. And you just cut as straight as you can. Then you do the other side, and you see where that cut is? Then you're going to go like kind of straight up from that. It doesn't have to be exact, no worries. Cut straight from there. And then you have a very short ramp. You could start with that, but it's kind of fun to have a longer one. So if you have only toilet paper rolls, no problem. That's what I have. You can tape them together. If you have a paper towel roll, you can you're all set. It's long enough. If you have a gift wrap roll, you have a really long one. You could cut it in half or leave it nice and long. It's fine. If these two sides don't match up, it doesn't really matter. Mine doesn't. This side's a little longer. Doesn't matter. Just tape it together and you have a ramp. Then I'm going to start with my ramp just laying on the floor. I'm going to pick one thing out of my bag. I can pick anything I want. I think I'm going to pick a big fluffy like cotton ball kind of thing. And then I think I will put the camera on the floor. Yep, there we go. Move the chair, move all my stuff. And then I'm going to push my cotton ball on the ramp. Well, not much happened, did it? Oh my goodness, not much at all. Even if I try to push harder. If I give it more force. Sorry, you kind of want to see me a little bit better than that. If I give it more force, it does go a little bit better, but not great. So, should I do that again? It's hard to see me and this. All right, I'm just going to hold it. Okay, because that works. All right. So I'm thinking, I'm exploring. I'm trying lots of different things. So I would like whatever I choose to push to go further. So I could choose a different item that might go further. Or I could, let me think. If I go sledding, I go down a hill. I don't just go straight. If I run down a hill, I go faster. So I think I want my ramp to go down. So let's take the whiteboard and put it there. And let's try it again. It's up just a little bit. It's going to go down a little bit. And let's see if that makes a difference. Not much. I think I'll try a different object too. That cotton ball doesn't want to go real far anyway, right? It doesn't roll very much. So you can try different things. Maybe a button. No, I need something that rolls. A ball. Let's see what would happen. Ooh, it went further, didn't it? Yes. Now, I put it up just a little bit. Oh, what would happen if I put it up more? Let me look around. What else do I have? And at your house, you'll be able to look around. Well, I have a box. Almost everybody has a box somewhere, right? A shoe box, a carton of something. Then we can put the camera back up. And let's take a look. So here's the box. And then my ramp is too short. Look. My ramp won't even reach the floor. So then I just add some longer ones. I can add more paper towel rolls or more toilet paper rolls, whatever, just to make a longer one. So it reaches to the floor. Look at that. Whoa, now what is the ball going to do? Okay, let's move this out of the way. Okay, you can see way down the floor what's going to happen. Oh my goodness, look at it go. It's still going. It's still in motion. It's still rolling. It's still in motion. It curved. Oh my goodness, it went way over there. Can you barely see that tiny little orange ball over there? So then what I would do is I would take my tape and I go over there and I put my tape there and put the word ball on the tape to show that's how far that ball went when I just kind of let it go. So let's go over there. And here we go. Don't get dizzy. I'm walking way over here. There's the ball. So I'm going to put my tape on the floor. And don't write on the floor, but on the tape. I'm just going to write ball. Or you could draw a picture of the ball, but you have to make sure you remember that that's how far the ball went. Okay? And then you can keep trying other things in your bag and see how far they go. See which one goes the furthest, the longest trip. How far will it go? And you can try to push the same thing. I could bring that ball back, push it again harder, see if I can make it go further. See which object goes the furthest, and then also find out which one of the objects in the bag goes the shortest distance. No matter how hard you push it, it just doesn't go very far. The motion on that one just doesn't make it go very far. And then I would like you to make a video of just you rolling two things. Roll the object that went the furthest, like I just did the ball, and roll an object that went the shortest distance. That's all you need on your video, the furthest and the shortest. And I'd like you to talk as you do it and say, I'm pushing really hard, or I'm just barely pushing, and see how far it's going and walk with it and show me. And then tell me, why do you think that object went the furthest and why the other one went the shortest? Okay? And we kind of hope to see if we can do this on Zoom and show each other too. So kind of think about maybe how you could show other kids this. We may or may not do it on Zoom. I have to think about that. We certainly can do it on a video. All right, this is time to stop. I had a great time. I hope you do too.